Hey, what's going on, guys? Perspective here, and that's Juice. A couple months ago, his computer died on him, and it turned out that his liquid cooler by Intermax leaked all over his motherboard. So instead of replacing his motherboard, he decided to upgrade his whole platform altogether. He went from an i5 4690K to a Ryzen 5 1600. And the case we're going to build all of those parts in is going to be the Corsair Carbide Spec-Omega. Now without further ado, let's get on with the time lapse. Oh, and one more thing.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to diamond things. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you.
She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try, get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe and stay tuned because I will see you in the next video. Peace. He went from an i5 4690K to a Ryzen 7 1600X.
It was at this moment that he knew.
What's going on, guys? Perspective here. And that guy over there? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe. And stay tuned because I will see you in the next video.